Today, we're going to be looking at emphasis in the principles of design. While the elements of art are what artists use to make art, the principles of design are what artists use to make art pretty. Emphasis is a fancy word that basically means, what are you looking at? So, what are you looking at?
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana.
And no, this is not Donald Trump. This was made long before Donald Trump. The emphasis in this artwork is the itty bitty tiny little face that's right in the middle of the big orange head, not Donald Trump. Emphasis is where your eye is looking, where the artist wants to drag your attention to. That is emphasis. And artworks can actually have more than one point of emphasis. For instance, this artwork I like to show as a way of introducing art meaning, but that's something for another video. This artwork actually has 2 points of emphasis. Can you determine where they are at? If you said the woman and the house, then you are correct. The artist puts emphasis on the house because of the position that the woman's body is in. You can see an implied line going from the woman's arm that is pointing you directly towards the house, as well as an implied emphasis or implied line based on where the woman is looking. As a viewer, we are used to looking at somebody and having somebody look back at us. However, we don't have that eye contact in this artwork. Instead, we imagine where her eyes are going to be and where they are looking. With her body position and the position of her head, you can see that she is looking at the house. Now that you know what emphasis is, where do you think the emphasis is at in this artwork? If you said the skull, then you are correct. In fact, there's lots of implied lines going on in this artwork. The black line directly underneath of it is an actual line that is pointing directly to the skull, as well as all the other lines around the skull that is dragging your eye downward to the black line, which then focuses your attention back up to the skull. Your assignment for today, you are going to be creating your very own artwork that shows emphasis. You are allowed to look up images online for reference. You are not allowed to copy your neighbor, and you're not allowed to directly copy what you see online. Remember, references are not plagiarism. You can use references as sources without directly stealing them. Thank you all very much. I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson, and I'll see you in the next video.